To use this tool, first select one or more mesh items, then click the Aim at Surface button and left-click in the 3D view. You may also select specific lights along with the mesh selection, to limit which lights are used by the tool. Left-click on the handle of the light that you wish to move and drag the mouse to move the light's target handle across the polygon surface. The position of the light will be adjusted to face the surface normal, whilst its distance to the surface will be maintained. To switch to another light, simply left-click on its handle to select it. You can lock the position of a light allowing only its facing to change, by turning on Lock Pause in the Tool Properties panel. This setting persists when changing between lights. Note, after moving a few lights in succession the tool's movement will become sluggish, as it has to continually apply the changes to all previously moved lights. When this happens, simply shift left-click in an empty part of the 3D view to apply the previous moves, which will restore this tool's speed. This is a designed-in trade-off that allows you to work on up to 50 lights at once without having to drop the tool or change item selection. And that's how to use Aim at Surface in MODO. For more detailed information about how to use this and other tools in the First Light Kit, visit thethirdguild.com.